Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Hope everyone is well today. Today guys, I'm coming with something really nice and sweet for you. If you want to make a whole abundance of it, you can. I just want to show you how to make these lamb chops. See guys, I got them cut kind of thick and they have some fat on them. So I'm going to show you an easy way to prepare them. Hope everyone is well. If you want to use rosemary guys, that's something my son don't like. So I'm not going to put it on there. You can add rosemary. I have oregano, parsley. I have parsley leaves, oregano, and some garlic. You need salt and pepper, and you can make this paste along with some butter. So I'm going to put a teaspoon of butter in here, guys. I'm going to go in and put some garlic. Smells amazing. I love the smell of this garlic. I want to go in and put some oregano in here. Okay. I'm going to put some parsley in here, guys. And I'm going to get some oil. I'm missing my oil. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm going to go in with a little pepper. And, sorry guys, and just a little bit of oil. I really would like to use olive oil, and I don't have any. So I'm using that today. Okay? And what you want to do, guys, you just want to mix this up and make a paste out of it. That's what you want to do here. Okay? So now we have our paste, guys, and I'm going to show you guys what to do. Okay? Be right back. Alright guys, this is what we got in there. We got garlic, we got salt, we got pepper, we have parsley, and we have oregano. Okay, so this is what your paste should look like with the butter and the oil. Olive oil is preferred. Okay, so what you want to do now guys is this. You want to take your chops and put them over here, just like this. Put them on your plate. Get your brush. Go in just like this. And rub that baby in. See that? That's all you want. Rub it all the way through. Flip them over and do the same thing. Just like that. I'm going to take them just like that and rub it in. Okay. Righty. Now, after you do this, put them back in the refrigerator and let them sit for about 20 minutes. 20-30 minutes. Let those babies sit. So I'm going to put these in the refrigerator and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is what they should look like when you take them out from sitting a half an hour to 25 minutes in the freezer. I mean refrigerator, not the freezer guys. We got our cast iron skillet hot. We're going to go in with a teaspoon of butter. You want your skillet to be hot. And you don't need much, a cap full of oil. That's all you need. Preferable olive oil, guys, is what you want to do when you make your lamb chops. You want it steaming hot, exactly like I have them, guys. Okay, I'm going to go in, and this is how we're going to do it. One that way, one this way, one that way, and one this way. Okay? That's what you want. Just like that. Okay? We'll let those cook medium rare is what you want. Now my son is not going to eat them medium rare, but that's what you want is medium rare. We'll let these cook for 3 to 4 minutes on this side, guys, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now you see what we got here? The skillet is hot, piping hot. And I want you guys to look in there and see all of that. That's awesome. This is our love Now let's get these babies to rock and roll. We're going to turn them over. Look at that. Wow. See that? Just want to turn them over. And I'm going to turn this one over. Okay, 3 minutes on this side, guys. And I'm going to take them out and plate them up for you. And that's how you do it. These are going to be awesome. Absolutely delicious to die for. But I am going to do one thing. He likes onion. So we're just going to put that onion in with it. Just like that. Okay? So that's how we make our little lamb chops. Let that cook up. 3 minutes and out. Oh, my house is smelling amazing, guys. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, they're ready to come out. My son will not eat them medium rare. This is how he likes his. I'm going to bring these out, guys. They're absolutely going to be delicious. I'm going to let those strain off. Take them out. And that's what I do. Alright, guys. I'm going to plate these up. And I'll be right back. Alright, guys. This is my lamb chops. This is how they turned out. If you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment, guys. I would appreciate if you guys would give me that thumbs up and a comment, because that's what YouTube want. Alright, guys, we're going to rock and roll and eat those up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Voila! Bye-bye.